Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you're doing well. So a while ago, I did a video about choosing the best model car for beginners. In that video, I introduced two types of entry-level kits, the Aoshima Snap Kit and the pre-painted kit. I like the pre-painted kit because it's fun and easy to put together. I know that many of you guys have never built a model car before and are looking to get into the hobby, but you're not sure which kit to start with. I did recommend the pre-painted version of the 1/24 scale by Aoshima, but those kits are not for complete beginners. For one, you have to use glue for assembly. Chances are you're gonna damage the paint if you have never used modeling glue or super glue on a painted model car kit. Since I'm a fan of this type of model kits, I have been looking for similar products on the market. So during my search for the best model car for beginners, I came across a brand called Platz Mono. It's a snap-together kit, pretty much like the Aoshima Snap Kit. However, the biggest difference between the two is that the body of the Mono is pre-painted. It's properly painted and the paint job is quite good. Even the black window trims and the light lenses are properly painted. All the major difficult parts of the kit have been painted for you. And if you're so eager to give it a go at painting something yourself, you can always do it to the muffler and the chassis. If you mess up the paint, hey, at least it's not that visible, right? So that's all the good thing about this kit. Now let's talk about the not so good stuff. I will start with the interior. Yeah. What is wrong with that? It looks like Takumi will have to lose the lower half of his body if he wants to be driving this car. All I can think of is that their intention is to put a motor of some kind in it and make it a slot car. All that room in the center seems to be reserved for the batteries. That would explain why the interior looks like it's been chopped and pushed up. It also makes sense to use metal axles instead of plastic ones. I know I have said the paint looks good, but if you take a closer look, you can actually see the mismatched colors some of the panels have. Mainly because they painted the white over a black base. Since the white paint has a weaker covering power, the black base will most likely show through the paint. Nevertheless, I still think this kit has really earned the title of the best model car for beginners. In my opinion, a beginner's kit has to be easy to assemble and it has to look good once it's completed. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I also want to say thank you to those who purchased from my mini store. I really appreciate the support. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video.